In the late 19th century, a young girl named Marie Sklodowska dreamed of becoming a scientist. But in her home country, Poland, women were not allowed to attend universities. Did that stop her? No. Marie moved to France, where she studied at the prestigious Sorbonne University in Paris. She faced extreme hardships, cold winters, little food, and financial struggles, but her passion for science kept her going. After years of dedication, Marie, along with her husband Pierre Curie, discovered two new elements, polonium and radium. Her groundbreaking work in radioactivity, a term she coined, changed the world of physics and medicine forever. But success came with challenges. Many male scientists doubted her abilities. Others tried to take credit for her discoveries. Yet, Marie never backed down. She became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and later, the first person to win it twice in two different fields, physics and chemistry. Her research led to life-saving medical advancements, including radiation therapy for cancer treatment. Even though working with radioactive materials affected her health, Marie remained committed to her passion until her last breath. Lesson to learn: Marie Curie's story teaches us that science is not just about intelligence, it's about perseverance, passion, and the courage to challenge limits. No matter how many obstacles stand in your way, if you believe in your dream and work hard, you can change the world. So, keep learning, keep experimenting, and never give up, because the world needs more curious minds like yours.